Imagine bringing the beauty and tranquility of nature to your desk or home. Fresh air, soothing light, gentle mist, the fragrance of the outdoors, effortlessly elegant, totally self-sufficient. Meet the Ark Smart Planter, the world's first intelligent, self-sustaining planter. Plants can be sensitive creatures. They crave just the right conditions, so we built a smart terrarium that gives them everything they need to thrive. Ark is loaded with tech. Precision environmental sensors and controls for light, temperature, humidity, and soil moisture, combined with automated growth profiles for your specific plants, take the guesswork out of care. It waters, mists, and adjusts lighting automatically, adapting in real time to keep any plant thriving. From cactus to carnivorous, and everything in between. It's the escape and relaxation of nature, anytime you want. Fully customizable to whatever ecosystem speaks to you. The Ark Smart Planter sets and adapts to your plant's unique needs using the Plantelligence app, removing the guesswork out of plant care. Ark comes with everything you need to create your ultimate mini retreat. Just add the greenery that speaks to you. Choose from our curated ecosystem kits, forage your own natural elements, or bring in plants from home or your local nursery. Create your mini dream world, then sit back and let Ark do the rest. And with the intuitive Plantelligence app, you'll get real-time status indications and simple alerts, only when needed. For initial setup, just search your plants by name, location, or environment. Download their specific growth profile, and Ark will tailor care to its exact needs. Begin every morning with a natural reset. Breathe deep as your terrarium releases fresh mist, clean air, and a touch of calm. It's the breath of fresh air you need any time of year, anywhere, no gardening skills required. Touch grass, reduce stress, boost productivity, and feel the connection with nature effortlessly. Escape the hustle, embrace the calm with the Ark Smart Planter, only from Plantelligence. Reserve yours today.